This is gonna be a review and unboxing of the new Wahl Designer. They changed the color of the clipper. This clipper used to come in a red color. Now they changed it for a satin black with some texture on top. As far as the motor goes, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be a 5000 motor. It has the taper level, which is this right here, and it's gonna bring 6 combs. This is what is included. It has the machine, it has 1 comb, 6 guards, cleaning brush with some oil, the guard protector, and now it's bringing this tool right here for the eyebrows. This box is dated 2017. If you want to pause it to read the model numbers. Now we're gonna open the box. They changed the color of the guards. The guards, it used to be like this one right here, the gray color. Now it's bringing this one right here, which is red. It has from number 1 to number 4, and then it's gonna jump to number 6 and number 8. So if you need number 7 and number 5, you're gonna have to buy them. It's not included in the box. This is the clipper. It has the blade protector. We're gonna remove it. It has the 3 screws on the blade. You can change that if you want later. I'm gonna show you in another video how you can change this base right here. It has the same wire. And now it's bringing also 1 comb, some oil, cleaning brush, and this is the tool for the eyebrows. Now we're gonna connect it to see how the motor feels. It feels very powerful. It has less power than the Whal Icon, but it doesn't feel like it has less. The Whal Icon has a 9000 motor. Now we're gonna compare this one with the older Designer. From this side, the only difference I can notice is this right here, this cut. This machine, this clipper doesn't have the previous one. As far as weight, is the same, feels the same. It looks like it's the same texture, the same material. The bottom from the sides is exactly the same. This one has 2 screws, this one has 1, and then the other 2 for adjustments. You can change that, which I prefer. That's why this one has it. I prefer to have the 2 screws blades, so I'm gonna later change this base right here and adapt it in this one. In another video, I'm gonna show how to do that. So this was a review, the new Wahl Designer. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.